In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft To Do tasks in Outlook. Managing your tasks efficiently has never been easier, and with Outlook's seamless integration with Microsoft To Do, you can streamline your workflow and stay on top of your priorities with just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by opening Outlook. Once you have it up and running, you'll want to navigate to the Tasks or To Do pane. This area is where all the magic happens. It serves as your digital workspace where you can organize, prioritize, and keep track of your tasks. If you don't see the pane straight away, don't worry. It's usually found in the lower left corner of your Outlook window, represented by a small checkmark icon. A single click will bring up the pane for you to start scheduling those tasks, once you're in the right place. The next step is to create a new task. Look for the New Task option, usually positioned near the top of your pane. Clicking this gives you a blank slate that's ready for you to fill out. Here's where you start giving your task some structure. First, think of a concise and descriptive title. This is what will catch your eye later on, so make it clear enough to recognize at a glance. After titling your task, it's important to set a due date. This not only keeps you aware of deadlines, but also helps you prioritize and allocate time efficiently. Once you've picked a due date, consider setting a reminder. A gentle nudge from Outlook can ensure that you don't forget important tasks, helping you stay proactive instead of reactive. Reminders can be tailored to your needs, whether you prefer a little warning in advance or a reminder closer to the deadline. Move on to setting the priority level for your task. Outlook provides a simple prioritization system, usually with options like high, normal, or low. Marking your tasks in this way allows you to easily distinguish between what demands immediate attention and what can be approached with a more leisurely pace. After filling out all these details, the final step is to save your new task. There will be a handy save button nearby to lock in all the information you've entered. And just like that, you have scheduled a Microsoft To Do task within Outlook. One of the greatest features is that these tasks sync automatically with Microsoft To Do. This integration ensures that your tasks are updated across platforms without any extra effort on your part, making it even easier to stay organized whether you're at your desk or on the go. With these steps, you're now equipped to use Outlook to its fullest potential when it comes to managing your tasks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips to help boost your productivity.